Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we have an awesome new product to review on my desk. I have been waiting so long for this and it's finally here. This is Xiaomi's brand new Mi Band 3. It's their newest fitness tracker and a successor to the Mi Band 2. In this video, we're gonna unbox and check out all of its new features. The Mi Band 3 comes in this sort of box packing, very nicely packed. You can see the fitness tracker through the box. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this outer packing. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this product for review. The Mi Band 3 is available only on Banggood right now. I'll just leave links to that in the description box below. So here is the Xiaomi's Mi Band 3. It comes in this nice box packing. The Mi Band 3 comes in 3 colors. I've got the black color model. Now one more thing guys, it comes in 2 variants, with and without NFC. The NFC model is a bit expensive and still on pre-order. It's not available yet. The model we'll be reviewing today is the non-NFC variant. You've got the specs over here. Let's check them out. It supports Bluetooth 4.2 BLE, has a big 110 mAh battery, supports both Android and iOS. One more biggest improvement on it is the water resistant rating. The Mi Band 3 has a 5 atmospheres water resistant rating. That means it is 50 meters water resistant. The previous one was only IP67 rated. Alright, let's open the box and check it out. The box opens up like this, and at the top we have the smart wristband. Let me take it out. Okay, the fitness tracker comes separately like this. I guess the band is inside the box. Let me put it aside and see what else do we get with it. So here is the strap. We've got the black color one. It also comes in red and blue. The quality of the band looks nice. Along with that you get a user manual. It's completely written in Chinese, so it's not of much use to us. And you also get a USB charger for charging the Mi Band 3. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the Mi Band 3. The Mi Band 3 has capsule-shaped design. It's slightly bigger than the previous model, but comes with lots of upgrades. You've got the model number over here. The build quality looks very good. It's made of skin-friendly TPE material. You've got the Mi logo at the bottom and the heart rate sensor at the back. Looks like we've got some sticker on the display. Let me remove it. This time they gave a bigger 0.78-inch OLED display. That too, it's a touchscreen. And at the bottom you also have a dedicated multi-function touch key. Let me show you the heart rate sensor. It has a continuous tracking heart rate sensor. We'll have to see how it performs. Now let me put the tracker in the band and show you. On the overall, I really like the design of the Mi Band 3. It definitely looks better than the previous model. And it's also very lightweight, only weighs about 20 grams. There's one more thing I forgot to tell you. Since it's available only in China right now, it comes in Chinese language. The company said they'll also be launching the English variant soon. Now let me show you the band. The quality is very good. I think it's made of TPU material. Feels soft and durable, and pretty much looks like the one on Mi Band 2. Alright guys, I'll just pair the Mi Band 2 with my phone, set it up, and be right back to continue the video. So I'm back guys, I've set up the Mi Band 3. Even though it was in Chinese, the setup process was very simple. I just had to install Mi Fit app, switch on the Bluetooth, and pair with it. And as soon as I did that, I got a software update with a new feature called the phone mute. Just like the other bands, even this has raise to wake display, and it's working pretty well. This is how the new display on the band looks like. It's a 0.78-inch OLED touchscreen and looks beautiful. Here's the home screen. It shows you the date and time and is also customizable. You've got 3 watch faces which can be accessed from the more settings. And at the bottom of the display, there's a small dimple which is nothing but a dedicated touch key. You can use it either to wake up the display or use it as a back button. The display supports both horizontal and vertical swipe gestures. You can swipe in vertical direction to access different modes on it and press the back button to directly come to home. By swiping up on the home screen, you can access the pedometer, you can track the number of steps taken, and by swiping left here, you can check the distance traveled, calories burnt, and the battery level. The touchscreen is sensitive and works well. By swiping up again, you can access the heart rate monitor. To start measuring your heart rate, you need to press and hold the touch key for about 1 to 2 seconds. We'll check out the heart rate monitor later. By swiping up again, you get the weather panel. It gives you the weather info for 3 days, that is today, tomorrow, and the day after that. Swiping up once again, you get the notifications page. Here it shows you a list of last 5 messages received on your phone. And this is the more settings. In this section, you've got stopwatch, which is pretty useful. Phone mute mode, which we got in that recent firmware update. Find my phone feature, customization. This is where you can change the watch face. To enter the settings, you just need to press and hold the touch key. And there you go. We have 3 watch faces in it. Let me show them to you. You just need to tap on them to apply it. So that is how it works. These were all the modes and features on it. And talking about the display quality, the quality is actually very good. It is bright, sharp, and the touchscreen also works well. Now it's time to test the heart rate monitor. I fixed the Mi Band 3 on my hand. It fits well, looks stylish, and is also comfortable. To start measuring the heart rate, you need to press and hold the touch key for about 1 to 2 seconds, and there you go, it has started measuring. The heart rate monitor was working well. It was giving accurate results almost 80% of the time. Now let me show you all the special features of this fitness tracker. For that, you need to install an app on your phone called as Mi Fit and pair your band with your phone. Let me open the app and show you the interface. So this is how the app looks like. Whenever you open the app, the first thing it does is sync the data from your smart band to the phone. On the home screen, it shows you the number of steps taken, distance traveled, and calories burnt. Along with that, it also shows your sleep data, heart rate, weight, and everyday goals. Now by tapping here, you'll get an in-detail day-by-day info on your activities. It's right now showing today's data. By swiping left or right, you can access the info on the other days. In the activity tab, you can start recording data on different activities like running, treadmill, cycling, and walking. You just need to hit the play button and start your activity to measure it. Now let me show you the Mi Band 3 settings. You can access them from the app itself. It shows you the battery level at the top. You can also set up screen unlock with it, which means you can use your band to unlock your phone. You also have call notifications. You can enable it to display them on your band. There's also event reminders, alarms, app alerts, which is nothing but app notifications on band. You can enable it to receive notifications from apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other app from your phone to your band. You also have idle alert, SMS alerts, goal notifications, and DND. There's also Find My Band feature. Now I didn't find this much useful because when you press it, there's no visual indication, only the band vibrates in my hand. I felt they should have also given some kind of visual indication. Along with that, you can turn on or off the raise to wake display and continuous heart rate monitoring. So these were all the settings on the app. Now let me show you how you get call notifications on your band. Whenever someone calls you, the band displays their name on the watch and starts to vibrate. Here you can either mute the call or reject it. You need to press the touch key for about 1 to 2 seconds to reject the call. And this is how the message notifications appear whenever you receive them on your phone. It shows you the content of the message if there's only one text. If you have more than that, it shows you the number of messages you've got. Now it's time to put the Mi Band 3 to a water test. We've got a bowl full of water in front of me. We'll be dropping the band in it for some time and see if it survives. As you can see, the Mi Band is on, everything is working fine. Let's drop it in the water bowl and see what happens. The Mi Band 3 is 5 atmospheres water resistant. That means it can withstand the pressure up to 50 meters underwater. That is really awesome, guys. The Mi Band 2 could do it only up to 1 meter. It was only IP67 rated. Now considering that, this bowl of water is nothing, guys. You can actually wear it while swimming and even dive up to 40 to 50 meters underwater. Nothing's gonna happen to your band. Okay, let's take it out and see. Everything is working well as you can see in the video. The touchscreen is also fine. Yep, nothing happened to it. The Mi Band 3 has successfully passed the water bowl test. Coming to the battery life was really good. It has a 110 mAh battery and on an average you'll get about 18 to 20 days on a normal usage when you turn the Bluetooth features off and use the heart rate feature normally. And if you use all the Bluetooth features like call and message notifications every day, then you'll get about 12 to 15 days of battery life. And charging it from 0 to 100 took about 2.5 hours. So that was my review on the Xiaomi's new Mi Band 3. It is definitely a successor to the Mi Band 2. The build quality is nice, the display is bright and crisp, easily viewable in outdoors, plus it's a touchscreen. It also has lots of new features and the battery life was also really good. The only thing is the menu interface on this band is in Chinese and there's no way to change it to English, at least for now. Xiaomi told that they'll be releasing an English variant soon by September, so you'll have to wait till then, or you can buy this Chinese variant right now and later update it to English firmware when they release it. The basic variant costs about 2,700 rupees and the NFC variant costs about 4,000 rupees. Both of them are available on Banggood. I'll just leave links to them in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.